As I, joined that company, they had quite a few organizational issues, and a lot of them were really around organizational culture and really understanding how the learning process is so vital and important to a company. And so, in the beginning, they would hide mistakes. Well, nobody would want to learn from their mistakes. They want to hide their mistakes, right? So when I would come along and say, hey, so what are you guys talking about over there? Everybody go like, nothing.
Counting the ceiling tiles.
And it'd be like, well, okay, reluctantly, here's this problem. I'm like, well, who was working on this? Who was involved? Well, I don't know. Well, it's like, no, we got to get people involved because we learn from our mistakes, right? And that's such a vital, important part is saying we all make mistakes every day, but every time we make a mistake, we learn from it. And the only bad mistake is the one you keep repeating, right? Mm-hmm. So we want to make sure that we create an environment in our companies which people can really learn and grow and advance in their careers and help the company move to the next level. And that's the most gratifying part of what I did at Sound Manufacturing was really just building the culture and building a community of learners who are really engaged in what one of our core values is creating a shared understanding,
yes.
which is probably one of the hardest ones there is, but we always strive for that.